Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to organize your subscribers in Mailchimp or wished you could send more targeted emails to different segments of your audience, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to create groups in Mailchimp, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up groups so that you can communicate with your audience in a smarter, more personal way. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, let's head over to the Mailchimp website and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll want to focus on your audience. Think of your audience as your big address book inside Mailchimp. This is where all your email contacts live. Organizing these contacts with groups is like giving yourself sorted folders inside that address book, so you can reach just the right people every time. So click on the Audience tab in the left menu. Here you'll see a list of your audiences if you have more than one, but if you've just started out, you'll probably have a single audience. Select the specific audience you want to organize into groups. This is important if you have multiple brands or projects within your Mailchimp account. Just make sure you're in the right spot. Now look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a button or link labeled More Options. Give that a click. Sometimes menu items can hide in plain sight, so take a moment to find it. Don't worry if you need to scroll or hover around a bit. Within that menu, you should see the Groups option. Go ahead and select Groups. This is Mailchimp's way of letting you carve out categories inside your audience, like a set of labeled boxes you can drop your contacts into, depending on what they're interested in. Next, you'll click Create Group. This is where things get a bit more customizable and fun. Mailchimp will ask you how you want your group to appear. Choose the drop-down option. This is a neat way to allow your subscribers to pick which group best describes them when they sign up, using a drop-down list. Now it's time to name your group category. This is the main label everyone will see. For example, let's say you want to segment your audience by experience level. Type in a group category like Masters. This gives your contacts a sense of belonging and lets you send more relevant content. Under your group category, you need to add group options. These are the specific choices people can fall into within that category. Let's add Expert and Pro. These could represent different tiers of expertise, for example. This little detail goes a long way. When you know whether someone's an expert or a pro, you can tailor your messages to deliver real value, whether that's in-depth guides or more advanced opportunities. After you've set up your group and their options, it's time to fill these groups with your actual contacts. Go back to your audience section, select the contacts you want to assign. You can pick one email or multiple at a time. Then look for an option to group contacts. Click this, then simply choose the groups you want that contact to join. Finally, click Apply. Easy as that. Remember, you can add a single contact to several groups at once, so someone can be both expert and pro if that makes sense for your audience. And there you have it. You've just created groups in Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to make your email marketing a lot more personalized and effective. If any part of this process felt tricky, don't hesitate to pause and rewind. And if you have any specific questions or run into a roadblock, drop a comment down below. I always do my best to help out. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.